Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umkosi waseMzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe or button. And also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend Gumede, popularly known as Umamlambo lapana ku SABC 1 ku Uzalo. Ngemva kokuthi bantu bambone lose weight drastically and people are really worried about ugel bayatibuta ukuthi kwetsalang kwendakalani. So I don't think ukuthi uluze weight ngoba uyagula or something. I think maybe mhlawumbe uyajima uyabo. So people are worried thinking ukuthi maybe she's sick. Some are even saying ukuthi hayibo uyena ngempela or usesi wakhe like utshintshile kakhulu utshintshile. And people were saying ukuthi now she looks her age, but some were saying ukuthi she looks sick ke sanibukeka ngazuthi uyagula. Yes khona kuluza iweight ube muhle ube snatched yabo, but yena uluza iweight ngendlela lengekho right, ngendlela lengekho mnanzi. So uthi lona undu now you actually look your age. I can't wait for new characters as a young woman, not umam. Not that you didn't kill each and every role you played. It would be nice rather to see you as a young Gogo Kesana. Uthi lona yena, I'm confused. It's you or your sister. But some were saying go Taibokele. Oh, please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.